I'm outside, feeling too alive. No fake love, just genuine vibes. I need a boss, not a maybe.
MJJC have sent me the V3.0 Snowfoam cannon, so let's get into it. So let's have a look at what we've got in the box. Comes with some instructions to show you how to assemble it. Comes with a 1200ml canister. You've got your nozzle attachment. You turn this bit to adjust your fan pattern. And then the dial on the top controls the thickness of foam. It comes with a suction tube, a 1.1mm nozzle and some spare meshes. Then we've got your adapter that screws in the back of the cannon. So you can buy this cannon from MJJC directly for £83. I'll drop the link in the description below, where you'll also find a discount code for 10% off. Let me show you it in action.